Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best gas cooktops in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 8. KitchenAid 36-inch gas downdraft cooktop. No separate ventilation hood is necessary with this 36-inch gas downdraft cooktop from KitchenAid. The special downdraft ventilation feature, with a 300 cubic feet per minute exhaust rating, works to eliminate smoke and odors at the surface of the burners rather than from above with a traditional ventilation hood. The cooktop offers 5 burners, one 17,000 BTU professional burner for cooking at high temperatures or simmering, one 15,000 BTU burner, one 12,000 BTU burner, one 10,000 BTU burner, and one 5,000 BTU burner. One burner offers a special melt cap that shields the flame for a more gentle heat, which is ideal for melting butter or chocolate or simmering sauces. The cooktop features continuous cast iron grates, helping cooks to maximize the cooking surface and easily shift pots and pans around the top of the stove. With its sleek stainless steel finish and premium stainless steel knobs, this gas cooktop will enhance the visual appeal of any kitchen while also helping users cook delicious meals. Number 7. Whirlpool 36 inches. Gas cooktop in stainless steel. Frigidaire offers this 5-burner, 36-inch gas cooktop that comes with a removable griddle ideal for searing steaks, cooking pancakes or bacon, grilling vegetables, and much more. When in use, the griddle covers the 2 right-sided burners, leaving the other 3 burners available for additional cooking needs. The 5 burners provide 2 rows of flames for even heat distribution with a range of BTUs to accommodate a plethora of cooking needs. The cooktop features one 18,000 BTU power burner, one 12,000 BTU burner, 2 9,100 BTU burners, and one 5,000 BTU simmer burner. The cast iron grate extends to cover the entire width of the cooktop and boasts a hinged design to make cleaning beneath it possible without the need to fully remove it. However, it can be removed for cleaning and is dishwasher safe. This model also features sealed burners and raised edges to contain spills and prevent further messes. Number 6. KitchenAid 36 inches. Gas cooktop in stainless steel. KitchenAid's 36-inch stainless steel gas cooktop satisfies the needs of those looking to bring a premium feel to their kitchen. It features 5 burners offering a wide range of BTUs for optimal results. The 20,000 BTU power burner provides dual rings and can alternate between 1 and 2 flames based on cooking needs. This gas cooktop also offers one 6,000 BTU even heat simmer burner, one 7,000 BTU burner, and 2 10,000 BTU burners. An electronic ignition eliminates the need for a standing pilot light as it automatically lights the burners. This cooktop also includes full-width cast iron grates that make it easy to move heavy pots and pans while also enhancing the overall look. KitchenAid designed this gas cooktop to be easy to clean. It boasts dishwasher-safe grates, sealed burners, and a special cook shield finish to protect against stains. The control knobs are metal for added quality, durability, and a sophisticated look. Although designed to be used with natural gas, this cooktop can be converted by a professional for use with liquid propane. Number 5. Frigidaire Gallery 30-foot built-in gas cooktop. Enjoy versatility and select the ideal setting for each recipe with the 5 burners on this 30-inch gas cooktop from Frigidaire. Adjust the large center burner between 450 BTUs and 18,000 BTUs to allow for both rapid boiling and gentle simmering on the same burner. The 4 remaining burners are rated at 12,000, 9,500, 7,500, and 5,000 BTUs for even more flexibility when cooking a variety of meals. The cooktop also features continuous cast iron grates to facilitate the seamless transition of pots and pans between burners. The gas cooktop boasts recessed burners, and the cast iron grate on this model is dishwasher safe. The cooktop also offers angled control knobs along the front for easy temperature adjustments. Number 4. Empava 30-inch stainless steel 5 Italy Sabaf burners. Those searching for a 30-inch gas cooktop may want to consider Empava's 5-burner stainless steel model. This cooktop offers thermocouple auto shutoff protection to minimize the risk of a gas leak. It also features 4 different burner sizes to allow for flexibility when preparing a variety of recipes: one dual-ring 12,000 BTU power burner, one 10,000 BTU burner, 2 6,500 BTU burners, and one 4,000 BTU simmer burner. Each burner offers even heat distribution for ideal cooking results. To allow for easy cleanup, each burner on this cooktop is sealed. The cooktop boasts dishwasher-safe cast iron grates and a stainless steel surface that resists discoloring to provide a sleek and modern finish for many years. It also offers durable knobs conveniently located along the front center of the cooktop. Number 3. Empava 36-inch built-in tempered glass gas cooktops. This 5-burner, 36-inch gas cooktop from Empava provides 4 different burner sizes to deliver excellent results. It offers one dual-ring 12,000 BTU power burner, one 10,000 BTU burner, 2 6,500 BTU burners, and one 4,000 BTU simmer burner. Empava equips this cooktop with a thermocouple flame-out failure system that will automatically shut it off to prevent a gas leak. The cooktop includes heavy-duty cast iron grates that are dishwasher-safe. It also features durable control knobs along its front to allow users to adjust the temperature of each burner easily. This model is designed to be used with natural gas, but LPG nozzles are included for converting it for use with liquid propane. Number 2. Delicate 34-inch gas cooktop dual fuel. An ideal choice for those looking for a budget-friendly option, this 34-inch stainless steel gas cooktop from Delicate offers 5 burners in 4 different sizes with a variety of BTUs to match specific cooking needs. One burner features a triple ring for rapid heating with 11,262 BTUs of power. 3 are semi-rapid burners, one with 9,385 BTUs and 2 with 5,972 BTUs, and one with 3,413 BTUs is ideal for simmering and slow cooking. Each burner is designed to provide even heat distribution for a range of cooking tasks, from boiling to stir-frying to steaming and more. This economical gas cooktop features a brushed stainless steel finish that resists corrosion and allows for simple cleanup. It also boasts durable and stable cast iron grates. The knobs to control this cooktop are located along the front for quick and easy access. Preset natural gas nozzles are included with the cooktop, but if needed, a professional can replace them with liquid propane gas nozzles. Number 1. Frigidaire 36-inch gas cooktop in stainless steel. This 36-inch stainless steel gas cooktop from Frigidaire provides 5 sealed gas burners. It features one 18,000 BTU quick boil burner to bring water to a boil quickly, as well as one 5,000 BTU simmer burner for sauces and more delicate items. The cooktop also includes 2 9,500 BTU burners and one 12,000 BTU burner. It boasts corner-to-corner cast iron grates that allow users to slide heavier pans between burners without needing to lift them up. A number of additional features ensure easy cleanup of this gas cooktop. The grates are dishwasher safe, and the cooktop features seamless recessed burners. It offers a spill-safe design to keep spills contained within the cooktop. This model also features angled front controls that allow for ergonomic use while adding an element of style and aesthetics. If desired, this gas cooktop can be converted for use with liquid propane gas.